Hi guys, this is the HB channel. Today I bring you a new kind of technology. This is the M106K professional graphics tablet from GAOMON. 2048 levels pressure sensitivity, 10 millimeters reading height, 5080 LPI resolution, 233 pps remote rate. So guys, let's see what's inside the box. For here we have like a sponge cover. I don't know what is it, it's so soft, maybe it's for the security for the tablet. And here we have the tablet. That's how the tablet looks like. We have some buttons here, some numbers up. I don't know, this is the place of the cable. For the box we have the books, we have the pen, which is right GAOMON, 2 buttons. This is the cover for the pen, and we have this little bag here. It's there are some heads of the pen and a ring that I think you can use it to take off to change this head. And we have 2 cables here. Cable, I think this cable is to charge the pen from here, and this cable is to be used for the tablet. And that's all. So guys, I found this paper that it says that you should install the driver manual. Means you enter to the website gaomon.net/download and you download it by yourself. So I will just go and download it. As you can see guys, I just downloaded the driver. I will just install it now. It's just like all the drivers. Next. Okay, as a draw application, I'm using Fire Packer. Okay, no folder. Okay. It works very good. Okay. Works very good. Very useful for the people who's interested in the graphic design, because for the comics maker this is not the best one. But if you are new in those stuff, you can start with it, because it's really for a low price. It's a very good thing for a low price. It's about $50-60. It depends from which website you buy. So this is the review. HB channel. Like, subscribe, and you're welcome.